tell you few tips, and yes, you will be improving your coding skills in just 1 month. And I'll be giving you a structured plan, and if you follow my plan exactly, then that's it. You'll be definitely becoming a pro encoder. Okay. Before going to start the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit a like. Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay, here there are 3 main steps that you should follow. That is, number 1, you should select your language. It may be anything which is more comfortable for you. It may be C or C++ or Java or Python. But if you want to learn it very fast, your placement exam is very near, then you go with Python, because it is very quick to learn Python. You can easily adapt to that. But the problem here is, if you choose C or C++, you will be improving your creative skills more effectively than Python. Because with C or C++, everything you will be writing with your own. So your creative or logical skills will be improving very good. But with Python, as not that much compared to C or C++ or Java. But yes, you can choose Python also. It is very good because you can learn it very quickly. If you are a beginner, you can start and you can easily become a pro in coding. But the problem here is, in some of the placement exams, they will ask you to don't allow Python. Okay, it is a rare case. They will allow Python many cases, but they ask you to not use any built-in functions. Without that, you should create your own logic. Even for should not use any functions that are built in, like count or length or anything. Okay. The next step is, yes, you can choose Java also, but only if you are really good in Java, because it is somewhat difficult compared to other languages. Java is difficult. So, but if you are really good in Java, you can choose that also. But stick with one language only. You should stick with that language if you choose. You should not change your language at any time. Okay? And coding, while coding. So choose your language that is best fit for you. Okay, after choosing your language, the second step is, like, you should learn some theory. You should have at least some theory knowledge on that. Okay. For example, many of the people will learn these languages in their academics or anywhere. Like, for example, if we take C or C++, you will be having pointers concepts or string concepts like that. You should be aware of these topics. Otherwise, if you know some little theory only, you can practice. Okay, otherwise you cannot do. Okay, so you should have idea. If we take Java, you will be having, no, you are not having pointers. You will be having strings or packages or like that. So you should be aware of these concepts. And if you choose Python, then you will be having list, tuple, Python, dictionary and sets. Okay, so you should be aware of these concepts. Okay, select your language if you really know these concepts, and based upon your interest and your ability to do, and it's your convenience. Okay, if you choose a language and next you have some theory knowledge on that, the next step is practice. This is the only main part. It is the main part of our plan. Okay, so here see, the only thing is the practice. While practicing itself, you should learn. It should be like how you should learn while practicing. I'll be telling you. I'll be giving you a structured plan. Okay, just follow me. This is what I have shared this plan to. I have given the suggestions to some of my juniors or my friends, and they followed this. They have given me a really good feedback that they have seen the improvements in the middle itself, and while practicing itself, they have seen the improvements. Okay, even I am the one who followed this, and now I was really able to do programming really well. Okay, so the step 1 is select your language. Step 2 is theory knowledge. You should have at least minimum theory knowledge. That means the concepts, you should have idea of those concepts, how to apply those. Okay, no matter if you don't know syntaxes of that we will be learning it later. The third one is you should be practice. Okay, so these 3 things. Okay, this is our 3-step process. Okay, next, you should choose your category. There are 3 categories. That means the type 1 is like this, they don't have anything. So from 0 to hero, I said, right? So they are starting from scratch, they don't know anything, even the syntaxes or any concepts or what is the language, they don't know anything. Okay, you choose which category you come under. The type 1 is they don't know anything, they're starting from scratch. Okay, the type 2 is they have some little theory knowledge, but they never written any program or they never practiced. Type 3 is they know theory knowledge, also some basic programming, like they have practiced or they have done some of the programs somewhere, but it is not competitive programming, right? So from the scratch to the basic programming, you should become a competitive programmer. So this is what the plan is. Okay, so if which category you come under, just choose your category. You don't know anything, that is type 1. You have some little theory knowledge and you have little theory knowledge, okay, that's it. You don't practice, you never practice, and you have some basic coding, that is type 3. Okay, how to become a competitive programmer, I'll be telling you. Okay, which category you come under, you choose that. Next, okay, I'll be telling you one by one. First one is you don't know anything, right? You choose your category. Okay, you selected your language, you choose your category. Next, if you come under type 1, that is you don't know anything, from the scratch you are starting, then here first you should learn some of the theory concepts now, right? So now what you should do means just go to Google and type. If you have chosen Python, type Python Geeks for Geeks and enter. Okay, here you will be finding everything related to Python only. So you should learn the theory concepts. Okay, so just go to one by one topic and read. Just read. If you don't understand also, it's not a problem, because while practicing only you will understand. It's no matter if you don't know these syntaxes. Like for example, I have completed these all topics, I may go to this topic. I may not, sorry, I have wait 1 minute. C operators, standards, there are many topics. So these are all, we don't need these file handling or Python regex. These are all advanced concepts, we don't need those. So up to this it's enough for you. Even the exception handling also not needed for us. Only up to this. Python, up to this only you will be learning. Just go and observe the things, how the Python language is. Just observe. It hardly takes 2 days. Just learn. Okay, just read everything and observe. Okay, okay, don't by heart the things. You will be doing it later. In a later time you will be learning. Even if you by heart also, you will be getting confused, because there are many things to learn, right? So while practicing, if you do, you will get a clear idea. So okay, just see how the language, how the Python language is, what are the concepts, okay, how the input is taken. Just observe the things. Okay, okay, don't okay, if you want to by heart the things, okay, that is the syntaxes, it's okay, but just observe the things. Okay, that's done. So now it hardly takes 2 days once you complete these things. So now you, from the type 1 you became type 2 category. That means you have some theory knowledge. Okay, you don't know anything, but now you have learned this. It will take 2 to 3 days. Now you have some theory knowledge, right? So with the theory knowledge you will be using, how you will apply, I'll be telling you. Okay, now using that theory knowledge, you should apply that. There are many resources available. So now comes under practice tab. Okay, so you selected your language, then you learned, you have idea of some of the theory concepts. Okay, now you come under type 2 category. That means you have some theory knowledge. Now type 3, how to become somewhat a basic coder to a competitive programmer. How to do that, I'll be telling you. So first, see, there are 3 main resources. You should go line by line. Okay, first one is you should go to HackerRank. So in the HackerRank, it's like you will be learning, you will be applying the concepts that you learn now. Okay, and the HackerRank, it's not you will be learning the you will be learning the topics. Okay, I'll be showing you. If I show, you will be getting a clear idea. So just go to Google and create an type HackerRank and create an account in HackerRank if you don't have it. Okay, once you create an account, okay, this is what HackerRank, and create an account. Just go to Google and type HackerRank login. So first you have to create an account in HackerRank. Okay, once you create an account, okay, just I have logged into my account, and here is how the HackerRank is looking. See, just come here, prepare by topics. You have selected one language, right? So if you choose a Python, for example, if you choose Python, just go into that language. So here what you should do is, you have learned some theory concepts, right? So now you should apply those concepts, but it should be in a systematic way. For example, you should first solve basic problems. You should go topic wise topic. Okay, so you have studied something in the Geeks for Geeks, just go to introduction. Just if you do go on solving as you wish it is presenting, then it's really confusing for you. It's not a good practice. So just choose introduction, easy, and so there will be some problems listed. Just complete all this. So if you go on to the problem, you will be, if you're solving, just solve, go on to solve challenge, and they'll be giving everything clearly, the question, everything. Just, these are very easy, the starting steps, introduction, right? Okay, not a problem if you don't know. Just read everything and try to think of the logic, how we can apply. Okay, it's not a problem. You don't even get how to write this syntax now, because you just have the theory knowledge, a little theory knowledge. Okay, even me, I'm the one who came from that stage itself. Okay, I have read the question, but I don't know how to do or how to apply. Not even a single line, I don't know how to write. Okay, it's no problem. The step here is you should do, you will think your logic. Then, for example, if here this line they have given, how to take the, how they are taking the input, their input, they are taking the input into n variable. So if this line is not there, your logic is, I want to take the input. So just go to Google. You should keep the Google aside, side by side, and every time, how, this is how I practice and how to take the input. You just type and you learn the syntax, how to take input in Python. So you should study everything, why it is there, and why, what is this, what are they doing, what is this input function, what is this strip function. You should search and find out, and you should understand. This is what the learning should be. It's not like learning the theory one. This is how you should learn, then only you will get it. See, they are using input, so just study this. You have studied in before itself, right? So it will be easy for you. It is very easy for you. See how they are taking input. So that you will be applying here. Actually, they have given, but if I am just saying the example, then if you want to count anything, how to count the, so sorry, if you want to find the length of anything, then just go to Google and how to find the length, what is the functions available, just study those. So in this way you will be finding different functions. By exploring those things, you will be finding different functions and you will be learning those. Okay, Even though you're not able to do, it's not a problem. Just don't discourage yourself, because here we have another interesting section, that is submissions. So even if you are not able to do, just go to submissions. Sorry, it's not submissions, discussions. Discussions, this is the discussion section. Just go to discussion section. See, here there are many people who already submitted. If you don't know, even if you don't get any logic, just go to submission section and just see how different people are applying different logic. What is their logic? And understand the logic. How the logic is. Understand the logic. Come back and apply the logic in your own. Okay, just don't copy and paste that, because it's useless. You don't even get anything. You should understand the logic and you should apply the logic in your own. Like, you should keep your you should write the code in your own words, then only you will be getting. Okay, so even if you don't get up to 5 problems or any problems, up to 5 or up to 4, you don't know how to write, okay, just go to discussion section, observe their logic, their different logic, not only one, observe different logic and find the optimized one, just apply here. So then you should take the apply how they applied that concept you should take. And for example, how the length is counted, length of string is counted, how they counted, so that thing you should take into mind, that you can apply it later. Okay, so this is how you will be solving, and once you solve, and you can run the code and you can submit as well. And upon submitting, you will be getting, just take it as a challenge, like in the game how you will solve the level 1 and level 2 and level 3. It is like level 1 is HackerRank and level 2, that is later I will be telling you. So this is how upon submitting any question, you will be getting some points. If you complete those, if you see these many points, 35 points more to earn first star. So you will getting 1 star. So I'll be showing you how you'll be getting stars or like that. See, this is my another account here. For example, here I earned I completed 54% of Java. Okay, I earned 2 stars, and in Python I earned 4 stars. First, what I did means introduction easy, so I solved these things. Next, introduction medium. Okay, next, introduction hard. So I solved everything in introduction. Next, it's time for basic. So in the basic, easy, medium, done, hard. Okay. Next, so topic by topic you should go. If you go on solve as you wish, you won't get it. You should go on topic by topic. As you learn, you'll be learning those topics. For example, if you come to strings topic, then you should search strings in Python. Like, I'm searching str strings in Python. So once you go, see, you will be learning everything related to strings here. Okay, how the strings, how we are taking the strings, like that. See how we can reverse the string. First, read these. Learn. It is like learning only. Okay, you will practice little but learn more. In this step 1 and level 1, you will learn more. Instead of practicing, you will be learning more. Okay, so once you learn, then you will apply this here. So okay, it hardly just take so okay, if you solve let's say if you solve 4 problems a day, 4 problems, you should learn mainly. Okay, you should solve 4 problems a day. There are 10 days. If you just give 10 days to this HackerRank, 10 into 4, 40 problems. So you completed 40 problems in HackerRank. So if you completed this level 1, that is HackerRank, then that's it. You will be getting a complete grip on the language. If you choose Python, you will get complete grip on Python language. Okay. So next we completed level 1. We have gone. These are all not needed. The only things we need is up to math. Okay, math only, up to math only we will need these topics. Not these topics we won't need. If you want to learn, it's okay, it's your wish. But up to these topics, it's enough. If you want to become a competitive programmer, just if you want to improve the coding skills, these are the things that are enough. And yes, upon completing all the problems that are available here, you can skip some of the problems. For example, in the strings there are many problems, but if you got really good, like if you're able to solve the string problems very quickly, then you can skip other problems. Okay, upon if you solve 40 problems, that means 10 days you take 4 problems each day, morning to evening to, then that's it, 40 problems you have completed. You will get a complete grip on the language. Okay, now you have done some of the basic coding. Now you become you should become a competitive programmer. How that? Okay, so this is all done now. So the second one is CodeChef. Just go to Google and create an account in CodeChef. So here I am logging into my CodeChef account. Just go to practice. So here also, see here, first now you are coming to a competitive programming. Before you just learn the language, HackerRank is you will get a grip on the language, how different concepts are applied. But it is not like competitive programming. But now the foundation should be good enough. Okay, the foundation must be good. If you really work well with HackerRank, then it will be easy for you. CodeChef. Okay, first one, basic programming. Just select the difficulty level as beginner level. Solve some of the problems that you like. There are many problems. And next, arrays, strings, math, sorting. So these are what competitive programming problems. Okay, so CodeChef is like that. It is like a very basic in competitive programming. Like you can learn the competitive programming a very easy way. So the problems are beginner level are very good, that a basic programmer can do. Yes, they can do very quickly. Okay, you solve basic programming, arrays, strings, math, sorting, binary search. Up to sorting it's enough. These things will be doing it later. Okay, up to sorting or math you do, it's upon your interest. But okay, if you solve 5 problems a day, sorry, if you solve 4 problems a day, just give 5 days to HackerRank. Sorry, that CodeChef, that's enough. If you give 5 days to CodeChef and you solve 4 problems a day, if you solve more than 4 problems, it's very good, it's well and good. And if you solve 4 problems a day, 5 days, 4, 5 is 20 problems you are solving in HackerRank. Okay, for example, if you have 4 topics, just solve 5 problems each in each topic. Okay, so this sorting we will be doing it later. And even you will be having a if you go to compete section, some of the contests will be conducted in CodeChef. You can they will give it some particular time, like it is 25th Jan 8 to 11. In that time only you are allowed to participate in the context, and you will get some what. If you participate in these contexts, you will build some confidence. Okay, because you will get some rank, like global rank. What is your rank in the globally in India wide? So you'll have some confidence if you go on participating in these contests. Okay, so okay, 15 days are completed. Now we have 15 more days. Okay, so now you have completed basic programming, and also you have stepped into competitive programming. Okay, you have idea how to apply the competitive programming. You will be learning here. In the HackerRank, you will be learning only the grip of like language. You will be learning the complete grip of language. Here you will be learning a competitive programming, but the basic one. But now the third step is LeetCode. So the LeetCode is here, which is a very good. I love it because these are the actual problems that will be coming in your placement exams. But if you directly go into solve these LeetCode problems, you won't get it because it's difficult. If you are not started with anything, like if you don't know anything in coding, if you directly go with LeetCode, you won't get it. So just complete a HackerRank, CodeChef, next LeetCode. Come on to LeetCode. So we have 15 more days now. So here in the LeetCode, what you should do means just go to solve easy problems. Here also topic by topic. Every day you should keep in mind, just you should practicing like topic by topic. If you take arrays, see the difficulty is easy and I choose array topic. So I have solved some of the problems in arrays. Like so upon solving this, I got an idea like how arrays, like arrays means in the Python list itself we will be using as an array list. So how we are counting the variables in array, or if I solve one problem, I'll be how are counting the variables in array, or how we are removing the duplicates, like how we are sorting the array, like different concepts in solving upon each problem. You should keep the mind like those concepts, like how we are sorting the array. That technique you should focus on so that you can apply in later problems. Okay, upon solving these problems in arrays, you'll get complete grip on arrays problems. So any problem that you can do in arrays, so easy problems, right? So next, only easy problem we do. Next, string problems. Array is completed, only string problems. Okay, solve some of the problems in strings, only easy problems. Next, hash table. Okay, even though you don't get to solve any of the problems, but don't worry, because here also we have an interesting section, that is discussions. So if you go to discussions, there are many people, they will post their answers or questions, or they'll be posting their solutions. Okay, you can find those solutions if you don't get it only. If you got the logic, try to apply on it on. But if you don't get the logic, just go to discussions and try to observe the things, like how they are doing. Like observe the logic and apply on your own that logic if you don't get it. But don't copy that. Okay, never copy those things. Okay, you have completed this problem and you will be getting, so you will be submitting. Okay, easy problem. Next, array is completed, string is completed. Now hash table, dynamic programming, math. Okay, it's upon your interest. You can solve any number of problems that are available, but mainly we focus on array, string, hash table. So dynamic programming is somewhat, I feel it very difficult, so I have done it later. So math, array, string, you complete these three first. Next, sorting, hash table, dynamic programming. Okay, these are enough. You can solve those. It's an advanced concept, but if you solve these things, that's enough. Yes, easy problems are now completed. Now you should increase the difficulty level, that is medium problems. See, in LeetCode, the easy problems, okay, you can do those. If you practice like CodeChef, HackerRank, you have some coding knowledge, you can do easy problems. But the mediums are also difficult for you. in the starting stage. So you should do at least 30 problems, 30 easy problems, at least 25. Even if you want to do more, you better do medium problems. Okay, don't focus much on easy problems, focus much on medium problems. The hard problems are very hard. It's, if you can do more hard problems, it's very good. Okay, so you do 25 to 30 problems, easy problems. We have 15 more days, right? So if you do 5 problems, 5 easy problems each day, 5 into 5, 25 problems. Here we don't learn, so it doesn't take much time. So 5 into 5, 25 easy problems you completed. So now you are left with 10 more days. Okay, you give 6 days to medium problems. 6 days. You solve 5 medium problems each day. 6 5s are 30. So 30 medium problems you solved. 25 easy problems you completed. 30 medium problems you solved. And you left with 4 more days. That is 1 month crash course. Okay. You left with 4 more days. So that 4 days, if you do 4 hard problems each day, 16 problems you complete. It's your wish. You can do, you can continue this. It's your interest. You can continue this doing hard problems, medium problems. But so easy problems you do up to 30 problems, it's enough. Then you concentrate more on medium problems. You do, even if you do 50 problems in medium, it's well and good. More than 50, any number like you can do. In hard, you go on doing. If you once you feel that you can do easy problems very good quickly, then you go to medium. Next, if you are able to solve medium problems very quickly, only you go to hard problem. Otherwise, if you go without solving more number of medium problems, then you will again come back because you are not able to do those problems. Okay, so this is what you should follow. And if you have any questions or anything or anything, that you can put it on the comment section, and please give me a feedback that how your improvement is going to be day by day. Please put it on the comment section so that I feel happy that I have helped someone, and it is also useful to some others, that it will give a confidence that this is really useful to them. So just post your improvement or feedback in the comment section, and also any questions. I'm always happy to help. So that's all about today's video. So now from the basic coding, you will become a competitive programmer upon solving this. So that's all about today's video. Just follow this exactly. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's it. Thank you.